Homemade face packs are good, and will always be a timeless skin care routine for millions. Generations of wealth in the form of knowledge on nature's gifts, and its healing properties is passed down to create healing and rejuvenating remedies. The natural ingredients give your skin a glow from within, and make it supple. Going all natural would be a new concept in these modern times. With the technological advancements of this era combining so very seamlessly with modern skincare techniques, it is rare that one would use homemade remedies to nourish and heal the skin. They are free of synthetic chemicals, artificial colors, and preservatives, and thus are perfectly safe. We all dream about having flawless skin, with the number of beauty and skincare products coming up every day filled with several harsh chemicals. Many prefer to use natural alternatives, while a balanced diet, physical exercise, adequate sleep, and a healthy lifestyle go a long way in contributing to glowing skin. There are a few natural ingredients you can use from your pantry to give you healthy and happy skin. Today in this video, I will share face pack for healthy skin. So let's start my video without any delay. At first, you will need 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. In this add half tablespoon of honey, half tablespoon of rose water. Mix it well until to get smooth paste. Slather the mixture gently on your face for 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water,